Price did respect that fair value gap pretty well. We'll see. I'm not using the zone. No, 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 no. If you guys haven't checked out my YouTube, I just posted a link in the chat. I'm gonna release a pretty sick video this week. The whole video is based. Yeah, like legit the intro of the video, you can see my curtains. Like I done it from a different POV than the first video, just so that you guys can catch a glimpse of it. Yo, guys, putting me in the spot. We both are, bro. SG, what the fuck? What is that, dude? Come on. Yeah. Yeah, so we had a massive fair value gap. Price swept it 3 times already. This was a much deeper sweep. So a push up from here will be pretty decent. I am still bullish on the higher time frame, so I'm favoring longs. You don't understand where the zone comes from, bro. Go back to The 29th of May is literally the high of the day. That's the only zone I could find. Like, we back at old price highs, dude. Like, this high was the 29th of May, and then the only other price action was in Feb. Like, Nas is making new highs. Your futures just froze. That's not good. Debacle. Never heard that before. Hey, bro, we don't just teach Forex here, you know, we teach English as well. My version, yeah, our version of it. Every time I, every time I say 30, you guys are like, 50? 50 pip? No, 30 pip. 50? Can you show the lowest starting point? Of course, bro. It's down there. I took the low from yesterday. Your 30 sounds like 50. No, it doesn't. I always hear dirty. I swear, every day I come here and I just get roasted. Any Zuid-Afrikaner slang you can teach us? Yeah, bro. Yeah. Rather not. Live on YouTube. Yeah, there you go, Matt. That's a popular saying. Kappa inky. No, Callan. No. No. Wakanda forever, dude. We never say that. Yeah, price is melting. It's at these lows right now. In the beninging. In the beninging. I swear, if you hear Zuma say that, bro, you forget how to say beginning. Can you please scroll to the left? Bruh, bruh. I'll leave it like this. Yeah, we literally just waiting for price to give us something, bro. Right now it's just filling where it was. Tapped into another gap. How often are you gonna stream on YouTube? I am gonna do it once a week, every Thursday. Yo, yeah, actually, Black Lab. If a South African tells you now, it can mean anytime. It can be 5 minutes, an hour, 2 hours. I'll be there now. 6 hours later. Like the US version of Couple of Three. You guys say that? Couple of Three? In the South. Gotcha. Yeah, traffic lights, we call that robots. How do you say barbecue? Barbecue. Uh, Barbecue is what? Oh, like drilling. Yeah, we say braai. Smoke the braai. Petrol stations, a garage. Yeah, traffic circle. Dude, Colgate versus toothpaste. Colgate is toothpaste. Yeah, Jaden. While we wait, check my baby. What? You need to back that up with a picture or something. Yeah, S&P is melting. Look at that. Sheesh. Big sell-off candle. Nas following. Helen. What the hell? How do you guys even find these gifts? What is your risk if the setup happens? Bro, I'll be taking half risk. So if you're usually risking 1% on your prop account, I would suggest a half a percent risk. So 0.5%. Just because like the higher time frame is bullish for me. So I don't wanna be taking full risk on sales because I'm basically trading against the higher time frame. Yeah, stop loss is still 25 pips. We'll see how it goes though. We still got 2 minutes left of this candle. It is leaving 1 minute fair value gaps. You guys know I usually call this a void. So we have a little void above. We'll see. We'll see. I think Itra's Discord is not working. You feel good on the setup? Yeah, bro. Like I said, it is leaving a fair value gap. Pulling back. If you don't feel comfortable, you can adjust it to a 30 pip. It's just gonna put your TP inside a support. You don't like shorts? Yeah, dude, look how it's wicking. Buyer's market, bro. What do you need? Have you ever had this bad of a market since? The market's recovering, bro. We're already 4% up this week. Like just this week alone, we are 4% in profit. Fucking headset died. I'm saying something, right? How don't you hear me? Yeah, potato, can you hear me? Yesterday we had a win on Nasdaq. It was a 1-to-1. Yeah, I know. Take a walk. We're getting closer and closer. I've been saying something the whole time. You can hear me on YouTube. It must be Discord then. Okay, hold up. Yeah, I'm gonna have to restart Discord. Oh, you guys hear me? So everyone else is fucked. Ethan's gonna have to restart as well. Oh, yeah, what the hell? Okay, I can hear you too. You just weren't talking. No, it's not YouTube that's causing it. You can hear me in stereo. How are we 4% up this week? We 3% up on DAX and we 1% up on Nasdaq. So total 4%. Good things. When do you take the DAX trades? In the morning. In the morning, Ron streams it. Ron streams London session every single morning. Ron is a G. Yeah, bro. We can maybe adjust it to 30 pip. Is that better? Did I say it right this time? Okay, we closed that void on a 1 minute. There you go, say it American. Found his back. What did you do, bro? Did you restart Discord? Sound came back, nice. Let's go. Yo, that cat is vibing, dude. Wait, why does water shit? Oh shit, yeah, you're right. Okay, Nez is pushing lower. We still got 1 minute 46 on this candle. Let's just check. I will check, yeah. Okay, we got Canadian PMI as well. Zero 0.5, Tom. As you can see, the S&P is pushing as well. Good confluence. So this was a previous key level. This was from Tuesday. The S&P can keep up this momentum. Nas could give us a nice sell. Yeah, the volume is a bit better today. Can see that Nas is starting to push down, but it's gradually pushing down. It's not like violent moves. The market is healing though. I don't know if you guys remember that first week of May was horrifying. The first 2 weeks of May was like straight losses, and then we just started recovering from there. I mean, last week, for the last 2 weeks, we were profitable. Last week we had a 2% return. The week before that we had a 4% return. Yeah, we recovered quite a bit actually. Never recovered from that market, bro. Yeah. I mean, like, we are here every single day, so we taking our trades, but I know some of you can't make every single stream. So when the winners do come, you miss out on one of the winners. It's just unfortunate. Or you get a crap entry. Yeah. But that's why, like, we always recommend mark out the same things that we're marking out. Like, don't just sit with your MetaTrader open and wait for me to say that I'm gonna get into a trade. Like, mark out the same zones. Have the exact same things plotted out on your chart, so you can see when the breakout happens. You can see when the retest happens. You can watch that candle live, and you can wait for the rejections, and then you can also get a good entry. Would you recommend trading New York and London on one account? As long as you stick to one trade per session. Don't go and take like two trades in London and another two trades in New York. Like, stick to one trade per session, because your trade in the morning can fail, but your trade in the afternoon can win. So if you fail in the morning, you lose 1%, you win in the afternoon plus 2%. So then you're overall 1% up for the day. Where if you're going to go and take two trades both sessions and you go on a losing streak, that's 4 losses in one day. So especially if you're trading a prop account. When to go in okay, so yesterday's candle, I only got in a bit lower because what happened was we broke out pretty fast. Like, this candle was really quick, right? So what I did was I dropped to the 1 minute time frame, and the bearish candle came in fast as fuck. There was like absolutely no rejections on the bearish candle. So I just waited for the candle to slow down, and when the candle started slowing down, it basically looks like the candle's bouncing, right? So the candle looks something like this. Let's say this is the wick, right? The candle will push into your zone, and then it will like start bouncing like that. That means the candle slowed down and lost a little bit of volume. And then that is when I look to execute the trade. So I don't just jump in as soon as, so if price breaks out, I don't just jump in immediately as soon as price comes back, because that candle can move, and then it can reject over here, and then it can start gradually pushing up again. So when it loses that momentum, I get a much lower entry. Sometimes when price moves down Like if it breaks out and starts moving down a little bit slower, then I'll get in directly on the zone. You're welcome, Rito. Yeah, yeah, that's a hesitation I always talk about, Matt. Do you market buy? I only do market execution. I never use limit orders because the thing is, um, if you got a little bit of spread and your limit order is exactly on the zone, sometimes you won't get filled into your position because of spread. So if it like just touches your zone and starts rejecting, it's not gonna fill you. For a $1 million bill. Do you only trade props? No, not only props. Props is a good way to get an account for cheap, and if you can pass the account, it's a nice way to make easier profits. But in the start, you're basically just throwing money at prop firms. I would suggest trading a small broker account. Deposit like $100 or $50 if you can afford it. You'll just have to go higher leverage. And get used to the strategy first. Practice, 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 practice every day. But don't stay too long on demo accounts, because when you eventually take a prop account or a broker account, there's going to be a lot of emotions, because that's not something that you learn on a demo account. On a demo account, I don't give a fuck. Like, it's $100,000 demo account. I'll enter with $60,000 risk just because it's a demo. Okay, candles closing inside. It's getting closer to breaking out the bottoms. Time for heavy lifting. Use the magnet. The magnets are dead, bro. We left that shit in 2024. Last year we overused the magnet. It's not working. Play Van Halen to the charts. I'm actually tempted to listen to them now. I bet you. Wait, Matt. What, mate? What do you mean you bet to do it on my account? Do what? Full port? Hell no. Hell no. Magnet was fire. There was 60K in one trade. No ways, dude. No way. Do you use raw spreads for your prop firm account or otherwise? Yeah, yeah. I always go for raw spreads because sometimes your entries are tight. So you don't want spread, bro. Especially if you're getting into a buy position, that thing puts your entry way up. So I'll rather pay commissions than have spread. 60K rupees. Yeah, okay, you didn't specify 60K in what currency. Go with like Zimbabwean dollar. Yeah, yeah, Matt, you beat me to it. uh, 1 million Zim dollars, let's go. Slippage is fun as well, dude. When it hits your stop loss with slippage, You want to go crawl under your blanket. Doubles your stop. No, that's if you trade news. Damn, mate. That's actually bad, bro. Because a lot of people actually like flex their meta traders, and you can see it's a live account, but it doesn't say if it's dollars or whatever the case may be. Like, it will just show it's a live account. And your profits will be like 245. And you're like, 245 what? Dollars? Zim dollars? Australian dollars? It doesn't tell you. Yeah, it's easy to bait in new people as getting into trading, bro. It's actually disgusting. Because the new people is getting into trading, they look at you and like you just there full porting a million some dollars. And they're like, damn, look at this guy. 60,000 profit. Meantime, that thing is not even worth a Coke. Can't even buy a bottle of Coke, bro. YouTube, I'm talking about Coca-Cola. Don't flag me. Helen, did you actually put your account in rupees? Damn, Itro. At least you're honest, bro. Anyone talking? Who's gonna tell him? Guys, let's troll Holland. Unemployment numbers were not up. So maybe that's why we're seeing a little drop. Yeah, maybe. Consolidation is awful. Bro, it is going down slowly. It's just like having a little bit of a push down, up, push down. On a 1 minute, you can definitely see it's a consolidation, but on the 5, we're slowly moving down. 15, see if 15 looks a little bit better. We'll just see. Patiently waiting. A Big Mac or Quarter Pounder? I'm not a McDonald's guy. The burgers are mid. The fries are nice. Yeah, Texas Barbecue King, bro. Now you're talking. You know, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Mate, you never had it? Bro, get it. That's the secret, bro. The sauce that they put on there is the sauce that you're missing for trading. I can guarantee it. Can't. Uh, Hollard, bro. Just restart your Discord. Everyone had the same issue. Everyone had the same issue. Just restart Discord completely. Yeah, they're pretty damn good, bro. You've been craving Burger King. Just get some, bro. Just get some. JMO, have you ever been in the United? No, I haven't been. No. You already did it still the same? That's weird, dude. Discord's been buggy. I don't know what's up with it. At least I got the YouTube stream running, so if you guys can't hear me, you can at least chill here. Ricky is threatening the market over there. Looks like the market is taking the threat, bro. It's attacking you. No, it's chats from YouTube. It's not just Discord. I'm reading both. What is the metric system got to do with it? Oh, ounces and measuring in feet. What? I'm talking. Oh no. Wait, can you guys still hear me? Discord is fucked, bro. That's wild. Yeah, Discord's buggy. I don't know what's up with it. They're probably busy with Discord updates again. They keep updating it even though there's nothing wrong with it. But you can't hear Ethan. I don't think Ethan's talking at all, honestly. Um, headset's still working. Yeah, I think they're working on the Discord servers. I'm slowly watching all of you come from Discord to YouTube. Oh, uh, price is moving up again. I'm in YouTube and Discord since this morning. Damn, dude. You've been in both? Just turn the one off, bro. Mute, mute one of them. Discord is. Oh, okay. Right, I'm gonna restart the Discord. That is being weird. Being funky. Hey, YouTube shouldn't have much of a delay because I put it on like the lowest latency possible. About 3 seconds from Discord. 3 second delay, yeah. Not good. Okay, seems like it's working again. Yeah, that's why we prefer streaming on Discord, because Discord is the quickest platform. Like, I looked at Twitch. Twitch is hella slow. Discord is way faster than Twitch and I don't remember what the green one is called again. But yeah, Discord is undefeated. It's just oh yeah, Kick. Yeah, that's the one. Mate, what, a lot of people, don't really like using the Zoom. We tried it way back. Yeah, it might have been my side, bro. I'll I'll give it about another 20 minutes. That's 4 candles, just to see if it's gonna break out of the range. It's been a slow market today. Hey, cheers, mate. Yeah, I'll see you Monday, bro. NFP tomorrow, definitely not trading. What time do you guys stop trading? It depends on the market, bro. If it's just gonna chop around inside of a range, then it's not really worth looking for a trade. We're still waiting it out. Yeah, actually, we usually stop trading about this time. Like, we trade for like an hour in. If there's nothing happening, then we just call it a day. I think Naz is gonna go for that data has. Well, like I said, Naz is bullish on the higher time frame. So you can see the bullish candles are coming in, and it's massive candle, dude. Like, almost a 50 pip candle followed up by another 30 pip candle. Ever try jumping? Dude, it's extremely unpredictable because sometimes price always, well, not always, sometimes price respects the 50 moving average. So trying to just jump into a trade every time it crosses is kind of suicidal. Because you think about it, like here you would get into a short and then price went up. Yeah, you would get into a short, price went up. Yeah, a short would finally work for you. Yeah, a long would work for you. Over here, you can see price push down, you would get stopped out. Push down might have worked, pushed up would have stopped you out. So it's pretty much a gamble. Hey, cheers, coffee. Yeah, I stream on a Discord app. The thing is, like, it never really gave me any issues. You on Clash Royale, bro? What? What? You took a trade every time it crossed the 21 EMA. Hectic. What was the win rate on it? Yeah, guys, like I explained it before, any strategy can work. It just depends on your psychology. Psychology is the biggest thing in trading. Like, I can take a buy right now in the market, right? I can take a buy right now. Stop loss can be, let's say, over there. TP can be, let's say, over there. Okay. But the issue that we have as retail traders is we hold our losses for way too long. That's our problem. So you could actually cut your loss over here once it starts breaking structure, because that would make sense. But if we're in a winning trade, you see profits and you want to take your profits. You're like, oh shit, okay, $50, let's take it. I want my $50. But you won't run your TP, you won't run your trade till it hits full TP. It's just how we are as a person. Okay? But if you go in drawdown, there's a good chance that you're going to hold it all the way till you stop loss. So why won't you do it when it goes towards your TP? That's the problem that we have as traders. You always seem to cut your losses and hold. I mean, you seem to cut your winners, but hold your losses. That is one of our major problems as a trader. So with the strategy that I'm trading, I mean, I'm just trading regular support and resistance. I found that the 5-minute works best for me because it's a much faster time frame. And still, like, 50% of my trades actually play out in my favor. So that means out of 10 trades, half of my trades actually work out for me. But because I'm trading with a positive risk to reward ratio, I'm profitable. So you just got to do your homework. If you find a strategy that works for you and you understand the strategy, you know exactly what to do, just work on your psychology. If you're not going to hold your trades till it hits full TP, then you're never going to be profitable because you're constantly throwing out your risk to reward ratio. Where you're supposed to hold for let's say you're supposed to hold for a 1 to 3 risk to reward. Why are you cutting your trades at 1.5 risk to reward? You gotta hold. There's a reason why you put a TP and a reason why you put a stop loss. The reason why you put a stop loss at a certain area is because if the trade goes past this point, my trade is no longer valid. Okay? There, you already understand that. So when price hits your stop loss, why are you getting mad? What's the reason you're getting angry? You put a stop loss there because you were telling yourself if price goes past this level, it's no longer valid. So same thing with your TP. You're putting your TP all the way up here because you believe if my trade plays out, that is where I want to take my profits. So why are you cutting your trade short? That is where you want to take your profits. I found it best to set it and close the chart. Yeah, dude, that's what I started doing. You know, like, you take your GAN box, if it's a 1 to 2 risk to reward, take your GAN box, just move it like this. Okay, here's my 50% line. So 50% of my trade, I would like to go break even. So I put a line and then I set an alert on that line. So literally just minimize your chart, and when you hear the bell ringing, you know that you should be moving your stop loss to break even. Then you continue, just minimize everything, play games, go make your food or do something. Just distract yourself. If you struggle to hold trades, distract yourself until you start seeing your win rate pick up. Then you'll start gaining more confidence. But the thing is, a lot of you that just start trading, you can't handle losses. It's one of those things. Like, I couldn't handle losses. I hate looking at myself, at my trades when I'm in drawdown. I used to hate it, dude. I get into a trade immediately in drawdown, like, oh fuck, again, this is gonna be another loss. And then it just rejects hard, bro, and goes straight up to my TP, and then I cut my trade short because I was in drawdown and I was getting pissed off. Now I see a little bit of profit, and I take my profit. Those are bad habits, bro. You guys gotta try and get rid of that. Best thing to do, backtest the shit out of your strategy. Doesn't matter what you trade. If you trade my strategy, cool. That's sick, bro. But if you're trading a different strategy, I'm not gonna tell you to switch to my strategy. I'm not gonna force it down your throat. Like, I trade my strategy here just because I enjoy streaming it. I enjoy streaming with you guys. It's a fun community. If you want to trade your own strategy, cool. But my advice to you is go backtest the shit out of it. See what the average win rate is and stick to that. Don't cut your trade short. If you're 0.5% in profit, don't pull that trade out. You're only making your commissions back. You're not going to be profitable long term if you keep cutting those winners. SMA is also flat. Yeah, dude, look, Nas is just, it's being Nas. Backtest and have stats, then you can refer. Dude, I got 2 years data from all of my trades. I kept a journal for it's 1.5 years actually. Every fucking trade I took. And I'm profitable. I'm like almost 200% up total. So I know my win rate. And the thing is, all my trades is live streamed here in the Discord. Etro records them and posts them in the archive. So if someone wants to tell me I'm not actually profitable, well, I got news for you, buddy. We had a guy come on stream one day and he started saying that shit. Are you still streaming YouTube using the F word? Oh, damn. My bad. My bad, YouTube. Don't flag me. How long are we still gonna wait before? Okay, well, it is pushing up right now. Let's just see. 1 minute. Yeah, it's needed a little bit. A little fair value gap over here. If price respects this and starts pushing up, I'll maybe stay a little bit longer. But if it pushes right through it, then I'm just gonna call it a day. It's still going a little bit. It's getting pretty volatile. You're trading oil? Let's go, dude. Do you only trade on stream? Sometimes I would take a trade in the morning, bro. But majority of the time that I do trade, it's live here on Discord. Because I mean, I'm gonna sit and trade anyway. So I just live stream it. Nice, Mikey. What about US30? I did look at US30 a while back. It's good. It also has good breakouts, but the win rate's not as high as Nasdaq. Yes, US30 is Dow Jones. Here's Hector. Yeah, looks like I did have a reaction to this fair value gap. We'll just see. If it breaks all the way through the fair value gap, then I'm just calling it a day. Ethan bailed earlier, bro. For everyone that's in the university, remember we got a call in like 4 hours, actually 3 hours. Faders. Yeah, look at that nice reaction to the fair value gap. Price is pushing up pretty well. Alrighty. Okay, again, I adjusted it to a 30 pip stop loss, 30, 60 pip TP. How many people still in chat? We got 183 right now. Okay, there we go. Price pushed far out. Another trap. Hey, don't be bad luck, bro. Come on. Come on. Since it's a little bit later in session, maybe just reduce your risk a little bit. I'm gonna reduce mine. Yeah, ES is still reacting to this resistance. That's why Nas is pulling back. If ES continues pushing out, Nas will push with it. Still got 1 minute 20. Yeah, the thing is, like, I would have had futures and CFD side by side, but I'm not trading futures, so my futures charts are got that 5 minute delay or whatever. And price is pushing. Oh, it's a volatile wick. Respected that fair value gap. I still got 3 minutes left on this candle. So three more, 3 1 minute candles. Um, no, not specifically, bro. Like, if price just comes back and rejects the fair value gap, it's basically telling you that it did respect and fill the gap. Like, not all of these fair value gaps get filled completely. So, you can see like this one over here. This was a fair value gap. It got filled all the way till there. Price rejected, started pushing up. Same thing happened here. Price came, rejected all the way down here. So was pretty far in. Started pushing up. Hope all of you are gonna drop your risk a little bit on this trade. See what the S&P does. It's also struggling a little bit. filling fair value gaps. It's making a new one. For 2 minutes. You trust the ANC more than the setup? Bro, I don't even trust the ANC at all. Okay, so that says a lot. Bro, if you don't trust the setup, don't take it. I see the S&P is still rejecting, yeah. S&P is breaking down again. It's really holding out on that resistance. The Nasdaq's following it. It's doing the exact same thing as back to back. 20 seconds of this candle. How far off were you from that target? Cool, cheers SG. Not typical to wait so long for a trade. Hey, I'm full of surprises, dude. What can I say? Yes, now we fully closed that gap. If it breaks, you're gonna widen your stop and go 1-to-1. Yeah, bro, like, I'm just giving you guys the entry. What you want to do with your risk to rewards, up to you. I mean, you can even go with a 40 and a 40. $60. 60 and 60. Damn, bro, that's the size of our TP right now. The thing is, there's no gaps, like, anywhere. In this whole leg, there's no fair value gaps. It closed all of them. So if it were to push up, that would be a good confluence. 1 minute is making higher highs. Ernest saying, put your house on it. Man, not that good, dude. Put your house on it. That's hectic. Okay, Ernest. Can't argue with that logic, dude. Seems valid. Hey, cool. Cheers, Prince. Keep well, brother. Nice BM, by the way. Love the profile pic. Hey, the final minute of this candle. Does it start pushing up? Let's start trading gold. Let's do a random pair. Euro JPY. Two seconds. Candle closed. Come on. Last 5 minute candle. If this candle goes down again, I'm calling it. If it breaks out, we get a trade. The final countdown. Again, I'm gonna go lower risk in this trade. Just because. Just because. All in for you. Yeah, tomorrow's NFP. We're getting all in on this trade now. What do you think about the new GR? Dude, it's nice. I like it. I want my i8 though, bro. Not gonna lie. I want the i8. Going to buy one in the next 2 years. Solid car, bro. Yeah, the i8. I like them, bro. I really like the i8s. Looks all futuristic. I'm gonna get it blacked out. So it looks like the Batmobile. I'm gonna call it the Nasmobile. The number plates are also gonna say Nasdaq. How much does what cost? The i8? The um i8 is electric. It's a hybrid, bro. It's electric and gas. Oh yeah, two Jay-Z's are wild, bro. Especially if you put two-step on it. Or rolling anti-lag. Fuck. Yeah, GT3 RS is also nice. Just don't get yourself a McLaren. I rode in a few, dude, and they hella uncomfortable. Like, getting in and out of the car, bro. Your ribs is sore the next day. And also, they got a pretty hard suspension. Yeah, on South African roads, yeah. Nah, 720S. The suspensions are hard. Yeah, don't even buy. Ernest, rather just buy a house, bro. Why spend 3 mil on a McLaren? Just buy a house. But then again, you can sleep in a car, but you can't drive a house, can you? When's the YouTube video dropping? It's dropping the weekend, bro. I'm gonna release it on Saturday. It's gonna be a really sick video because what I do is I analyze the charts and then I show you guys how the live trades actually played out from the chart that I analyze. So like I do a full breakdown for you and then I'll show you the live trade. So it's gonna be very informative. I hope you guys are gonna go and check it out. So we did break out now, just waiting for price to come back. This is still a valid trade. There's no fair value gaps. We're starting to break to the upside. This trade is valid for me. I will take it over and over. It is a good looking trade. I just want to see it pull back now. No, Andrea, I'm not in the trade yet. I'm waiting for the retest candle. We busy creating another fair value gap, but the thing is, this fair value gap falls within our entry, so that is a good sign. That is good. If we, yeah. Sometimes it happens, bro. Like you wait like an hour. I mean, technically, we only been trading 1.5 hours. This is the longest I ever trade. I never wait as long for a trade ever. But tomorrow's NFP, we're not gonna be trading tomorrow. This is literally my last trade for the week. Full port Friday tomorrow. No trade Friday. Unless you want to go and gamble a 50-50 chance on a broker account, that's all on you. Yeah, bro. Some minis look actually sick. I've seen some Mini Coopers here where I stay and they're like kitted out, bro. They look quite cool actually. Yeah, there we go. Bro, I swear I'm getting one, bro. Fuck this. Goals. Yeah, Kellen, that's my plan, bro. I wanna black it out completely so it look like the Batmobile. Okay, Nazi is starting to come closer down to our entry. Yeah, I'm gonna hop in. Got a little bit of a early entry. Might come a little bit further down. Yeah, now we just leave the trade, let it do its thing. Doesn't matter what the outcome is, we just leave it. Just leave it. No emotions. We all jumped in the trade. We all committed to the trade. Doesn't matter what happens. It's the last trade for the week. Yeah, don't be negative, bro. We're just hanging out. We're vibing. You're risking your whole funded account. Why? You win 0.3. Yeah, risk whatever you're comfortable with, bro. There's no need to go heavy risk on this trade. Like I said, I went lower risk. Doesn't matter what the outcome is. It's a valid setup. Price is inside a fair value gap. It's inside our previous resistance, which became a support. So that's two confluences. We're trading in line with the higher time frame. That's three confluences. That's a good enough reason for me to get in a trade. I got three things already telling me that this is a valid setup. You lost a voice again? Oh, potato can still hear. Only Matt. You can still. Oh, okay. As long as majority of you can still hear me. So what I'm gonna do is one of my accounts will be taken out at 1-to-1, and the last account I'll leave it to run full TP. That's if it gets there. I don't have any hopes. Just let the trade play out. Right, it's already Friday tomorrow. Like, what the fuck happened to this week? Why did this week go so quick? Even last week was fast. Whereas the months go on, time just moves quicker. It's crazy. Yeah, we're halfway through the year already. It's mad. What the hell's going on? Time is moving, bro. 6 months into the year. It's crazy. No, Renee didn't take the trade. Shit. That sucks. Internet went out. Wait, Schnuffle, you only started trading this year? Helen, come on. That GIF was a violation, dude. Yeah. They ain't Colin Glenn, bro. Nothing's happening there. I can imagine. You have to get ready for work. Cool. Cheers, potato. You're getting a Wi-Fi upgrade in 2 weeks. Is it still gonna be a wireless network though? Don't you guys have fiber there yet? You about to leave for work? Well, let's hope this trade goes break even by the time you guys get ready to leave. Are they ever gonna introduce fiber to Colin Glen though? It'll be amazing. It's a life changer. Okay. We're almost there. You can overpower Steam. Itra, what gig line do you have again? I remember you said it was like something crazy. A 3 gig line. So 6 gig. Fuck. 6 gig. Damn, dude. Why do you even need? Okay, wait. I understand. Yeah, you do media. A 3 gig line, bro. His next Google tab opens up before he even clicks on it. It looks like a car revving. That's fast. Yo, roll, bro. What the fuck? What happened to you? You've been quiet. I saw one of your stories. So one of your Insta stories. Okay, so one of my accounts is out already. Yeah. Okay, so you guys can move to break even. I already took TP on one of my accounts. That was a nice snipe entry. Good trade. I'm gonna leave the last account to run to full TP. You're not at break even yet. Yeah, we're still gonna hang around, bro. Nice, Ollie. That was a good trade, guys. We sniped it on the fucking bottom. Nice, Andrea. Nice, Etro. Etro, slap us with a screenshot, dude. I know you like doing it. Just do it. Good thing came back. Yeah, Prince, you see, bro, you disappeared and the market got hyped. Okay. Email. Okay, you got a 40 pip TP. Yeah, dude. That should hit. You should hit it soon, actually. Your TP is a little bit higher than this wick. That should hit. Thursday is always good. I told you guys, Thursday is the most profitable day for the strategy. That's why I started streaming on Thursdays. Megan took TP. Okay, we moved to break even, moved to break even. There we go. Itro slapped us with a TP. $400. Nice. Okay, all moving break even. Nice. Yes. Oh, Benjamin, you passed. Let's fucking go, dude. Oh shit, I can't swear I'm on YouTube. Let's freaking go. How about that? Ooh. Let's freaking go. Nice. VT, TP, Rollmac, TP. Sheesh. A lot of TP is coming out in chat now. Nice, guys. Well done. One account pass. TPs are hitting. Nice, nice. James. Let's go. Tiber. Benj. Nice, Benj. You held the last one for TP2. You legend. Mine's almost there. I'm almost full TP now. Nice. T-shirts. Now, damn. A lot of you guys. There we go. Full TP hit as well. First trade on a 25k. Yeah, I saw your story, bro. Let's go. I saw you passed it. Congratulations. Well done. Nice. All of you hitting TP. Woohoo. Nice, guys. Prince, there we go. You hit TP, dude. Now you can leave. Now you can leave. Okay, a lot of you held for TP2. Let's go. Up 1% on the 50. Nice, Kelly. Okay, bye, Prince. Bye. Enjoy your weekend, dude. Way to end the week. Guys, we just finished a 6% week. The markets are recovering. I told you guys last week. 6% week. It's been a while. TP Heat, first time streaming. Hey, first time streaming with us. Welcome. I hope you had fun. It's been a long wait. It's usually not this long, I promise. But welcome, Court. You've been so patient about the setup. Yeah, dude, the thing is like this. You don't force trades. Let the trades come to you. We waited patiently for one of these areas to break. And it finally broke. It gave us a trade. We had a fucking sniper entry. Like, I got on the very bottom of the wick. We had like 0 drawdown. There was absolutely no drawdown. Yo, Ionic, what's up, dude? Nice. Good job. Hey, Mike, you caught like 3-4 TPs today, bro. You need to go and relax. Damn. Yeah, it was such a good setup. Hey. Oh, nice, dude. 418 bucks. That thing's live now, right? Good shit, bro. You should actually leave it. Don't trade it further, bro. Secure your profits that you got now. Wait for payout. Get your refund. And then smack that account. Secure the refund, bro. That's a big thing. Go risk-free on your account. And then bang it. Good call moving to Thursdays. Yeah, good call. Okay, yeah, that's it for me, guys. Not gonna hang around any further. We had a really good trade. Let's end the week off on a good note. I'll see you guys again Monday for the regular analysis. We're not doing a full stream Mondays anymore. We're gonna stick to Thursdays. Thursdays are much better. Okay. Hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Don't do dumb shit. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. I do dumb shit. And yeah, see you guys Monday. Cheers, everyone. Stay blessed.